Not gonna lie, when I first saw this subtle fan flex, I thought these things were too good to be true. There's no way. I had so many questions. Would they actually go on and off? Would they fit in my vehicle? Would installation be difficult? How are they powered anyways? So I ordered them. Mine came super fast. It's the official licensed team logo. They have instructions on how easy it is to install, and it's simply a high quality LED projector that sits on your door and shines down when it senses there's nothing else stopping it. I did the Cowboys, but it comes in basically every NFL team logo. It's a plastic housing, 2.5 by 2.5. Here's your on button. Here's where the light projector comes. And here's your sensors that should turn the unit on or off depending on if it notices something close by or far away. So essentially every time you open the door, it doesn't have anything close by and it lights up the ground. Here you can see this is the Cowboys logo, but they're all about the same. They're a little insert that slides in, gives you the exact logo, and the LED light projection slides through. You do have to include your own 3 AAA batteries. You can save power by keeping it turned off, and it's got a super high powered 3M type sticky on the back that literally sticks to the side of the door, and that's where the indicator, when it's open, it won't see anything. It'll turn the light on. You can always keep it in the on or the off position to save battery life. And here's a real-time view when I was playing with it. When I pulled it away from the ground, the light showed up. As it got closer, it indicated something was close by. The light does shine kind of at any angle, any way you do it. And then when I cover up the sensor, it goes away. And when the sensor indicates space, it comes back on. Super easy, super intuitive. Really like the quality of this. I was actually pretty impressed. So does it actually work consistently? Yes, the LED light activated when the door opened and project a clear logo every time for me. No installation difficulty, is just an adhesive sticker. I would say this would have to fit most vehicles because it's just the gap in the door space between where the door is when your seat is. It does have AAA batteries, so you would have to replace that over time. And it does have motion censoring, so it just needs enough space to indicate that the light should come on and it shines with any team logo that you choose. Hope this helped. If it does, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.